In this video, we cover how to submit a help ticket with AskIT. To find the service portal on the web, visit uab.edu/techhelp. Search the catalog with keywords or questions. If you need to order something like software or equipment, click the Order Something button. If you're looking for how-tos or answers to questions, explore Self-Help. To report a problem on the web, click Report a Problem on the TechHelp landing page. Enter your Blazor ID and password. Approve your login with Duo. Provide a short description of the problem. Add details including device type, location, and screenshots if applicable. Note your preferred method of communication. To report a problem over the phone, call 205-996-5555. Provide your Blazor ID and a brief description of your problem.
Thank you for calling UAB AskIT. Can I get your Blazor ID, please?
You will receive a follow-up email from AskIT with ticket details. For more remote working resources, visit go.uab.edu/remotework.